Hello, welcome to this demonstration of BonyFace. Today we're going to show you some new features regarding BonyFace 2.6. We've added a new face UI, so this is what we're going to show you next. Okay, so to start off, you open BonyFace. This is a rig character with BonyFace 2.5, but it should work with the new features. So you click on this new face button, and right away you can see a great difference between this new face control center and the old one. This one is much faster, and the main one of the main reasons that we decided to change is that first, because of its speed, and then when you want to pose a face, now you don't have to select the control and just change the control box, because as you can see, every control now has its own control box. So to start off, let's show you some stuff. For example, here we have the brow controls. When you just click and drag, you can see what it does to the model. Okay, so it's very nice, very handy. If I want to control both these eyebrows at the same time, you have a few shortcuts. First is the shift key. If you hold the shift and then you click and drag either one of these controls, you can see what it does. Okay, now if you hold the control key, they move in tandem. It's very nice. It's also, as you can see, very fluid. It's quite fast. The same happens with all the controls. This is holding shift, this is holding alt key, and this is holding control, and this is holding shift. Okay, now whenever you want to select something, for example, if for some reason you want to select the eyebrow, all you have to do, you don't have to go to the old face UI, which is in this button here. All you have to do is right click any white area of that control. Okay, if you decide that for some reason the control box is not letting you have the desired pose, you can have extra control by selecting these directly. Okay, so as I say, all these shortcuts work with all of these controls. Now you have, for example, if you want to select the top eyelid, you just click on this uppermost part of the control box. The bottom eyelid, you click on the bottommost part of the control box. If you want to control the top eyelid for some reason, all you have to do is click on this, and then you control the bottom eyelid. Okay, so this works like a toggle between the top and the bottom eyelids for the box controls. This button works with the two controls of each eye, for in this case. Okay, you can control it like this, and well, although not very useful for eyes, you can also do it like this. Again, using control, you control both eyes. Using the shift, you control both eyes like this. Okay, this is for controlling only one eye. Okay, I'm pressing shift now, and now I'm pressing control. If you want to control only, this is the reset button. If you want to control only the eyes target, what you have to do is right click on this white area where it is selected. This selected box works. This selected box works on two ways. First, you right click the white area to control the eyes, the eye target. Sorry. Okay. but it's also useful if for some reason you want to control a selected control. Okay, if you, for example, select the jaw and you don't want to control it with this, you can control it with this. Okay, so it's really nice. Now I wanted to show you these buttons also. This, as with the eyes, these work with the mouth. Okay, now again, if you press the shift, you can have all sorts of different poses for the mouth by dragging these. If you add control by clicking only one, you can control all four of them. The same happens with the corner of the lips. Okay, so this is the jaw control, and these, as the buttons, as the control state, they are the top and bottom lips. If you have this on, if you press shift or if you press control, okay, you also have this button called Smart Lips Mode, which controls the top and lip, the top lip and the bottom lip, like this. So according to the button pressed, you get a different kind of pose. So as you see, this face control center is much more fun to animate and much more useful, and it's really nice. For example, one of the things that I almost forgot to show you is that you can control the sensitivity of these controls by going to the sensitivity column here, and then you can write the values, okay, in here to define how sensitive these control boxes are. Okay, for example, if I feel that the jaw should be more sensitive, what I should do is just increase this value, and whenever I use this, okay, it reflects it. But if I feel that it should be less sensitive, you see what it does. So it diminishes the effect of this control box. Okay. And also you have this select all controls. Select all controls, although you don't see it here, you will see it on the name and color roll-up that says 116 shapes selected. This is very useful if you already have an animation and you want to shift keys around. Okay, you just select all controls and then you drag the keys to where you think they should be. It's really nice. Also, the other thing that we have is mouth softs and mouth directs. This button, it's sort of like this one. It's a toggle. When it's pressed, you control the points, the direct points. Okay, you control these points here. If you see, and this. So in BonyFace we have two kind of control points: the direct points and the soft points. So if you have this depressed, you're not controlling these anymore. You're controlling these. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, so with that, I hope you, with that we finish this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let's do some great animation. Thank you.